Hello and welcome class 9th exercise 11.2 construction. Let's start first construction. Given the base BC, a base angle B and the sum of AB plus AC of the other two sides of a triangle ABC, we are required to construct it. So how to we construct triangle ABC? So step of construction. First is draw the base BC. We draw the base BC. First we draw base BC and at point B make an angle. We make an angle at point B is XBC. Angle XBC is equal to given angle. Okay. First we draw the line segment BC. Then we make angle B at point B. XBC is equal to given angle. Now cut a line segment BD equal to AB plus AC from the ray BX. We intersect a line segment BD on ray BX is equal to this BD is equal to AB plus AC. Okay. Third step is join C to D. Join CD and make an angle DCY equal to angle BDC. We join CD and make angle DCY equal to angle BDC. Fourth step, let's CY intersect BX at point A. Let's CY intersect ray BX on point A at point A. Okay. Now the ABC is the required triangle. Let us see how you get the required triangle. Base BC and angle B are drawn as given. So next in triangle ACD, angle ACD is equal to ADC. Angle ACD is equal to angle ADC by construction. Therefore, AC will be equal to AD. AC will be equal to AD because ACD is a isosceles triangle and isosceles triangle two sides equal. Okay. Now AB is equal to BD minus AD is equal to BD minus AC is equal to BD minus AC because AD and AC are equal and sides of isosceles triangle. So we can say AB plus AC is equal to BD. Okay, hence justified. Now the alternate method. Follow the first two steps as above, then draw perpendicular bisector PQ of CD to intersect BD at point A. See figure. Join AC, then ABC is the required triangle. Follow first two methods. First, we draw line segment the base BC and make angle at point B, angle XBC. ठीक, and the line segment BD on ray XY and join CD. are the same steps previous construction, and now we draw a perpendicular bisector of CD. The PQ is perpendicular of CD which intersect BY at point A. So we get point A, we join A to C and A to B and BC. This is required triangle ABC. Now construction 11.5. To construct a triangle, given its base, a base angle and the difference of the other two sides. In this question we are given base angle and difference of other two sides. Okay, so given the base BC, we are given base BC, a base angle says angle B and the difference of two sides AB minus AC or AC minus AB. You have to construct the triangle ABC. Clearly there are following two cases. Case 1, let AB is greater than AC, that is AB minus AC is given. AB minus AC is given. Steps of construction. Draw the base BC, and at point B make an angle XBC equal to given angle. Second step, cut a line segment BD. On BX is equal to AB minus AC. Okay. Third step, join D and C and draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. The perpendicular bisector of CD is PQ. The perpendicular bisector of CD is intersect BX at point A. The PQ intersect BX at point A. Join AC, then we join A to C, then ABC, then ABC is the required triangle. Now justification, we need to prove that AB minus AC is equal to BD. AB minus AC is equal to BD. We prove AB minus AC is equal to BD. Let's perpendicular bisector intersect CD at point R. Let the perpendicular bisector of CD intersect CD at point R. So AR is the perpendicular bisector of CD. AR is the perpendicular line on CD. AR is the perpendicular on CD. So CR is equal to DR because AR is the perpendicular bisector of CD. So DR is equal to CR. Okay, CR is equal to DR. Equation first. And angle ARC and angle ARD is 90 degree because the line segment AR is perpendicular on CD. So angle ARC and angle ARD will be 90 degree. Equation second. Now in triangle ADR and triangle AACR, AR is common and angle ADR ARD, angle ARD and angle ARC equal. From equation second we have above proved, and dr is equal to cr. dr is equal to cr because AR perpendicular bisector of CD, so dr is equal to cr from equation 1. So triangle ADR congruent triangle ACR by SAS rules. Okay, so AC is equal to AD, AC is equal to AD by corresponding part of congruent triangle by CPCT. AC is equal to AD by CPCT. Now BD is equal to BD is equal to AB minus AD. Okay, BD is equal to AB minus AD. If we subtract AD from BA, we get BD is equal to AB minus AC from equation 3. Thus our construction is justified. Okay. Now case 2, if AC greater than AB. If AC greater than AB, given the base BC and a base angle B, difference AC minus AB, we need to construct triangle ABC. So step of construction, draw base BC, we draw base BC. Now draw angle B, we draw angle B, we can say angle XBC, okay. Let the ray BX, step third, open the compass to length AC minus AB. We open our compass to length AC minus AB from point B as a center, and cut a arc on BX opposite side of BC. Let the arc intersect BX at point D. Join C and D. We join C and D. Now we will draw perpendicular bisector of BC. We draw perpendicular bisector of BC which bisect BC. Mark point A because the perpendicular bisector intersect BX at point A. Join AC and ABC is the required triangle. Okay.